bought the Anker 313 PowerCore Slim 10000 in the hope it would solve a couple of problems I've been experiencing with my other power banks. It was on a deal with Amazon, otherwise it would have been what I consider expensive for a unit with a claimed 10,000 mAh, which equates to 37 watt-hours based on the internal battery. So what do you get in the box? The 313 is a plastic brick measuring 149 by 68 by 15 millimeters and weighs around 213 grams. In the box you also get a micro USB charging cable and the instructions. The USB-A port to charge your devices sports an IQ label which indicates that the port uses Anker's Power IQ and voltage boost technologies to allow a maximum charge of 5 volts at 2.4 amps. On the top is the on-off button with 4 LED lights, but there's no screen to show percentage charge remaining. When all 4 LEDs are blue, the PowerCore is fully charged. At 75% full, there are 3 lights. At 50, there are 2, and only 1 when you're down to your last 25%. This button also allows you to swap from the faster 12 watt IQ charging to Trickle charging mode at an unspecified wattage by tapping on the button twice, which turns one of the blue LED lights to a green LED light. This was the functionality that I particularly wanted to charge my Sony NW-A306 Walkman in the hope that it would extend the battery life. My existing power bank options are the TOPK with 74 watt-hours, a Charmast with 88 watt-hours and an Ausgang with 18.5 watt-hours, but I only tend to use this with my DJI Pocket 2 camera. The Anker is to replace the Charmast, which now only delivers power from one USB-A port and has always been temperamental and undependable. So can the Anker 313 maintain the Walkman at 100% charge in the less brutal Trickle charge mode? Absolutely yes, it would appear. So whilst I recognise that I might be being a tad optimistic, my assumption is that now instead of constantly trying to shove maximum watts into the Walkman, I have a steady trickle of charge, keeping it at 100% whilst it's playing. However, I did notice that after about 3 hours the Anker randomly switched from Trickle charge mode to 4 blue LED full power mode, so I'm not sure what all that is about. As always, I'll post updates in the description should there be anything of note to report. It's all good.